The official name of Albania is the Republic of Albania. Albania is located in southeastern Europe, bordered by Montenegro, Kosovo, Macedonia, and Greece. The capital city of Albania is Tirana, which is also the largest city in the country. Albania gained independence from the Ottoman Empire in 1912. Albanian is the official language of the country, and the majority of the population practices Islam. The currency of Albania is the Albanian lek. Albania has a population of around 2.8 million people. The country is known for its stunning natural beauty, including rugged mountains, sandy beaches, and crystal-clear lakes. The Albanian Riviera is a popular tourist destination known for its picturesque coastal towns and pristine beaches. Berat, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is known as the City of 1,000 Windows due to its well-preserved Ottoman architecture. The Albanian language is considered one of the oldest in Europe, with roots dating back to ancient Illyrian tribes. Mother Teresa, the famous nun and missionary, was born in Albania. Enver Hoxha, Albania's communist leader from 1944 to 1985, implemented a strict isolationist policy that cut off Albania from the rest of the world. The bunkers of Albania, built during Enver Hoxha's rule, can still be found throughout the country, serving as a reminder of the country's turbulent past. Albanian cuisine is influenced by Turkish, Greek, and Italian flavors, with dishes like burek, frigis, and tave kosi being popular choices. Albanian folk music is characterized by its melancholic melodies and poetic lyrics, often focusing on themes of love, honor, and sacrifice. The traditional Albanian costume, known as the fustanella, is a colorful and elaborate outfit worn by men for special occasions. The blood feud, known as Jak Maria, is a traditional Albanian practice of revenge killings that dates back centuries. The Albanian Alps, located in the northern part of the country, offer breathtaking hiking and trekking opportunities for outdoor enthusiasts. The Blue Eye Spring, a natural wonder located near Saranda, is a popular tourist attraction known for its stunning blue waters. Albanian history is marked by a series of invasions and occupations, including by the Romans, Byzantines, Ottomans, and Italians. Albania was under communist rule from the end of World War II until 1992, when the regime collapsed. The flag of Albania features a black double-headed eagle on a red background, symbolizing national pride and independence. Skanderbeg, Albania's national hero, led a rebellion against the Ottoman Empire in the 15th century and is considered a symbol of Albanian resistance. Tirana, the capital city, is known for its colorful buildings, bustling markets, and vibrant nightlife scene. The Pyramid of Tirana, a former museum dedicated to Enver Hoxha, is now a controversial landmark in the city. The Albanian language has its own unique script, called the Albanian alphabet, which is based on the Latin alphabet. Albania is a member of the United Nations, NATO, and the World Trade Organization. The National Museum of History in Tirana houses a collection of artifacts that trace Albania's history from ancient times to the present day. The ancient city of Butrint, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is one of Albania's most important archaeological sites. The port city of Durrës is home to the largest amphitheater in the Balkans, dating back to Roman times. The city of Shkodra, located near Lake Shkodra, is one of the oldest settlements in Albania and has a rich cultural heritage. The traditional Albanian dance, known as the baje, is a lively and energetic dance that is performed at weddings and other celebrations. The Albanian coast is home to some of the most beautiful beaches in Europe, including Ksamil, Durmi, and Gjale. The country's mountainous terrain and rugged landscapes make it a popular destination for outdoor activities such as hiking, skiing, and rock climbing. The Logora Pass, located along the Albanian Riviera, offers breathtaking views of the Ionian Sea and is a popular driving route for tourists. The city of Gjirokastër, another UNESCO World Heritage Site, is known for its well-preserved Ottoman houses and cobblestone streets. The ancient city of Apollonia, founded in the 6th century BC, was once a thriving center of culture and learning in the region. The Osum Canyon, located near the town of Berat, is one of the deepest canyons in Europe and offers stunning views of the surrounding landscape. The Mes Bridge, a stone arch bridge dating back to the Ottoman period, is a popular tourist attraction in the city of Shkodra. The National Art Gallery in Tirana houses a collection of Albanian art from the 19th century to the present day. The coastal town of Vlora is known for its beautiful beaches, historic architecture, and crystal-clear waters. The ruins of the ancient city of Bilis, located near the town of Balsh, are a popular destination for history buffs and archaeology enthusiasts. The city of Kors is known for its vibrant art scene, with museums, galleries, and theaters showcasing the best of Albanian culture. The town of Permit, located in the southern part of the country, is known for its thermal springs and natural scenery. The historical town of Kruj, located just outside of Tirana, is home to a medieval castle and a museum dedicated to Skanderbeg. The city of Elbasan, known for its fortified city walls and Ottoman architecture, is located in the central part of Albania. The town of Pogradec, located on the shores of Lake Ohrid, is a popular destination for fishing, boating, and water sports. The Rozafa Castle, located near the city of Shkodra, offers panoramic views of the surrounding landscape and is a popular tourist destination. The city of Fir, located in southwestern Albania, is known for its ancient ruins, including the Temple of Apollo. The city of Lushnj, located in the central part of the country, is known for its agricultural industry and fertile farmland. The town of Himare, located along the Albanian Riviera, is known for its pristine beaches and charming coastal villages. The town of Sarand, located near the Greek border, is a popular tourist destination known for its vibrant nightlife and stunning sunsets. The city of Vlora is home to Independence Square, a historic square that commemorates Albania's independence from the Ottoman Empire. The League of Prizren, a political organization formed in 1878, played a key role in Albania's struggle for independence.